show you a tour of my apartment. This is the apartment I moved into right when I graduated college, and I have lived here ever since. Just some stats about it. It is a little bit north of Dallas, and it is 600 square feet. Absolutely love living here. I don't see myself moving anytime soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the tour. So right when you walk in, there's Oliver. He is wanting to say hello. I have this dry erase board on the right, and I also have some pictures and canvases that I've made, and my friends have also made some of them. On this dry erase board, I'll just write like notes, to-do list, or my grocery list. And then I have a huge container for Oliver's dog food and also the trash. This is the closet for the hot water heater. It's locked, so only maintenance can go in there. And then my unit actually came with a washer and dryer, which was super convenient. There's this little cutout in the wall. This is where I keep my purse and my mail and keys. And there's not a real pantry, but I do have these built-in shelving units that I keep all my canned food in, and then also holiday decorations. So then on to the kitchen part. It came with all of the appliances that are built in, like dishwasher, stove, microwave, fridge. I brought my own blender and Keurig. Yeah, I like how the stove is set up and it's just flat, so it's really easy to clean. Then I have my fridge decorations. I have my little vision board because I'm trying to eat healthy. And then this is a little cart that I got from IKEA. This is where I keep my olive oils and then also just some random kitchen. So now onto the bedroom. So my apartment is technically considered a studio because there's a cutout at the top, but I still have a door that I can shut and lock. I actually like the cutout. It helps the air flow more freely between the living room and the bedroom. And then I also have my Peloton in here, which I'm going to be doing a review on in a few weeks. I'm really excited to show y'all. I've got a little TV as well. And then this is my table that I have all my lotions and my like sleep sound machine on. And then I also have some pictures that I got from Amazon. Now in the bathroom, I just have a bunch of skincare and hair care stuff. I got this little turny thing, I don't know what to call it, on Amazon. Also got my shower curtain from Amazon. I like how it has the curved shower rod, and that came with the unit. And then my closet is attached to the bathroom. I love the closet. So here I have my boots, and then I have like long dresses and jackets, and then just some random stuff at the bottom. And then I have just all of my clothes, my day-to-day clothes, keep my purses at the top, and then I keep each of my pair of shoes in their own little container at the bottom that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then this unit actually came with my apartment. It's built in, and that's where I keep like underwear, bras, pajamas, and then I keep sunglasses, jewelry on top of it, and then winter clothes at the very top. Okay, so now on to what is considered the dining area, but I like to keep my desk and makeup stuff out here just because it has way more space. And I like just having it here so if I can film and stuff, it's a lot easier, especially with the natural light. And then I kind of have a New York theme going on, so I have my friend's poster. Then I'll show you all some other decorations in a second. This is actually something my dad helped me build. I bought the bar stools from Wayfair, and then we went to Home Depot to get the shelving part. It actually cost about $10 to put that little shelf up that I dine at. And then I got this little table from IKEA. It was the same one that was in my bedroom. Then I have this little bar cart that I got from Target. I have this little reading nook, and I have some of my favorite little decorations I've collected over the years above it. More New York stuff. There's that cutout again. New York. And my Wicked poster. And then there's Oliver. He's not having a good time. He's like, "Stop filming, Mom." But yeah, that is it. I know that was super quick, but I did just want to show y'all everything. Again, it's 600 square feet, not a lot to show, but I love how I've decorated it. It's definitely homey to me. Thank you again so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.